my life is full of missed opportunities. Often I think, I could have done that, I should have done that, I would have done that. Unfortunately, these words, should have, could have, would have, do not have any relevance. What's gone is gone. What's missed is missed. My father spent so many years of his life on me. He kept encouraging me all the time. He tried really hard so that I could improve. I could become more productive in life. I could grab all the opportunities that came my way. But I was too stupid. I was too naive to understand the importance of his words, the importance of time, the consequences of missed opportunities. Now sometimes I wish I could turn back time. I could turn back time. Sadly, it's not possible. The most important lesson I've learned that we have got two lives. And the second one starts when we realize we only have one. And thanks to my father, I've realized this finally. We all have opportunities to do more, to grow more, to learn more. We all have opportunities to become more than they think we could become. We might not have equal opportunities, but we do have opportunities in life. So don't just keep missing that. Missed opportunities will bring failure and misery, and you might have to spend the rest of your life using could have, should have, would have. Time flies like anything. All of a sudden, I'm 38 now. Oh my God, I'm growing old. Now when I'm doing better in life, my father is not alive to see all this. And this really hurts. This really hurts. So just don't do this to yourself. Just don't. We have got one life with many opportunities. The more we miss, the worse we do to ourselves.